Hello, everyone. Today, we'll go through how Kevin, a merchandise planner with Saks Fifth Avenue, uses Neurotrend's self-service cloud platform to help him gain insights on fashion forecasts, trends, and brand sentiments. Once Kevin logs into the Neurotrend platform, he needs to feel inspired by what's currently happening in the fashion world. He sees a seasonal mood board and a visual perspective of daily trends of the day. The mood board and these trends trigger his creative pulse and sets him in a direction that will quantify his decision process towards merchandise planning. He can then dive deeper to review various categories, colors, and details of fashion trends. He can see daily fashion trends for every attribute of factors and where it is most in demand. As an example, he sees here t-shirt dress is most in demand this summer and has an upward trajectory. And it is quite popular in East Coast. Next, you can see what is trendy in social media today and how consumers react to it, from hashtags to types of dresses. This is very important for his creative sense as he absorbs data more visually, allowing him to quantify his anecdotal decision process along with the company's sales history. Our third feature is the brand sentiment, where he can add and review his favorite brand's performance. Here, he can see Nike's performance across various channels on the internet and different locations where the brand is most in demand, allowing him to match his products with the right brand for his customer segment. Neurotrend is continuously working on learning more on how planners such as Kevin interact with real-time data to make the right decisions and helping the business be more effective with its working capital. Thank you.